안녕하세요 여러분. My name is Jisoo and welcome to K-Lesson. Do you happen to know what the word 온통 means? While watching the K-drama The Glory, I heard 동은 saying 온통 3 times consecutively and it intrigued me to make a video about it.
생각해보면 정말 끔찍하지 않니? 내 세상이 온통 너라는 게. 내 세상이 온통 너인 이유로 앞으로 네 딸이 살아갈 세상은 온통 나겠지.
Firstly, 온통 is a noun and an adverb. It means all, full of, entirely, totally, and so on. Now, let's learn how to use 온통 in different contexts through example sentences. One day you visited Korea and came across a food truck selling tteokbokki. Out of curiosity, you decided to buy a portion and taste it. However, the texture of the dog was very strange and unlike anything you've ever experienced before. Tteokbokki was too hot, too red for your liking. It turned out to be a very weird experience. When you returned to your own country, you are watching a K-drama and saw the character enjoying tteokbokki so much. All of a sudden, you inexplicably missed tteokbokki and longed to have it again. And you say, 내 머릿속은 온통 떡볶이뿐이야. Inside of my head is totally only tteokbokki. Please understand that I translated literally. Actually, I wanted to say that my head is full of tteokbokki. Anyways, let's break down the sentence. 내 means my. 머릿속 means inside of head. 은 is particle that assists subject to describe the topic or content. 온통 means entirely or totally. 떡볶이 is 떡볶이 as you know. 뿐 means only. 이야 is predicative particle and is spoken in present tense informal form of 이다. Your friend who loves pink paints her room pink and changes all her stuff to pink and then invites you. You go to her room and say, 방이 온통 분홍색이야. It means the room is entirely pink. 방 means the room. 이 is a particle that emphasizes the subject, which is the room. So the nuance is like this. This is the room that is entirely pink. 온통 means entirely. 분홍 means pink. 색 means color. In Korean, the word color is often added to the color name, like pink color, to specify the color. This is because adding the word 색 after the color name is a common practice in Korean language to avoid the ambiguity in any color description. And I already explained 이야 from the previous sentence, so let's skip it. You went grocery shopping and spent $100 because there was a $10 discount if you spent more than $100. You bought a lot of fruits and vegetables. The next day at work, your boss says you should go on a business trip to Madrid for 3 weeks. You are so happy because going to Madrid is one of your bucket list items. After the business trip, when you walk into the kitchen, you say, the whole kitchen stinks. 부엌에서 온통 악취가 나. To translate literally, I could say, it entirely stinks in the kitchen. Let's break down the sentence. 부엌 means kitchen. 에서 is particle that indicates the location where something is happening. 온통 means entirely or totally. 악취 means a foul odor. 가 is a particle that emphasizes the subject, which is 악취, a foul odor. 나 is a spoken, informal form of the verb 나다, which has many uses. It's used to indicate that a smell is emanating, and it is accompanying the noun 악취 to express the idea that a bad smell has appeared in the kitchen. How was it? Doable? Now it's your turn. Please make up a sentence using 온통 and leave in the comments below. If you will have made an error, I'll correct it for you. Also, I left an exercise that you can download in the description. If you need a correction, send me an email. See you in the next video. 또 봐요.